Sunday truck's still hot. Mama at the screen door said you come or not. Daddy in his recliner talking through his hat about football, politics, this and that. Sister in the kitchen, hair up, looking snatched. Rolls in the oven, cornbread scratch. Grandma at the table with a Bible in her lap, tapping on the cover like, boy, sit back. Sunday dinner at Mama's house solves a problem I don't talk about. Pass the beans, pass grace around, let the heavy wheat just drown. In mashed potatoes, sweet tea glass, all my worries finally take a bath. Yeah, I stand this simple kind of love. Sunday dinner, that's my heaven from above. Uncle cracking jokes about my long-grown hair, says city's got you crazy, you still going to prayer. I shrug and change the subject, talk crops and cars. He laughs, boy, you're chasing way too many stars. Little cousins on the porch playing in the dust. Auntie says eat more, it's them greens you trust. I look round that room, all the stories in their eyes, all the hurt, all the hope, all the tried and tried. Sunday dinner at Mama's house solves a problem I don't talk about. Pass the beans, pass grace around, let the heavy wheat just drown. And mashed potatoes, sweet tea glass, all my worries finally take a bath. Yeah, I stand this simple kind of love. Sunday dinner, that's my heaven from above. Start staying in, chairs stay empty where the jokes had been. So I keep coming back every mile, every turn, 'cause this old house holds more than I deserve. Sunday dinner at Mama's house solves a problem I don't talk about. Pass the beans, pass grace around, let the heavy wheat just drown.